So yesterday I made a video on how you can actually make money by sharing memes, okay, and quietly I'm impressed that it got 247 views. So this video is on my main channel, so this is more like a part 2 video on how to earn money by sharing memes. Okay, so in the video I talked about, like in the title there's $100, even in the thumbnail there's $100, and someone commented this is clickbait. Okay, well, the one who commented this clickbait, I think he's both right and wrong. Okay, yeah, it's possible to make $100, but it's not easy. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you. It's possible it can even take a year just to make the same $100. So in this part 2 video, I'm going to talk about how I can actually make this $100 easily. Okay, so by viewing memes, sharing memes, you can actually make money with the app I talked about. But in this video, I'm going to talk about something else on how you can actually make money with memes. So I myself, I'm a memer. I do make memes. Okay, if you go on my Instagram page, the main one, this main Instagram page which has got more than 5,000 followers. Okay, actually almost all posts on this Instagram page are all memes, and I actually grew this Instagram page from like 600 followers to more than 5,000 through memes. So how is that possible? Well, memes do catch people's attention, and when people engage, Instagram promotes them. So this is why memes are able to perform better than a regular post, because people usually do engage, they like, they comment, they share. Okay, and if Instagram notices that people are doing that, actually Instagram will promote it more. Okay, so now how can you make money with Instagram by sharing memes? So what you need to do is create an Instagram page, a Facebook page. Okay, start choose your niche. As for me, all the memes here are related to forex because that is what I do. So choose a niche based on what you do, create memes and start sharing those memes. Okay, when people start engaging, Instagram is going to be promoting them. So now here's the money making part. So since since memes do gain a lot of exposure and they do really perform better, the only way you can actually make money is that only post a meme, add some tags related to the meme. So in the same description or in the tag section, okay, find something that you can promote. So you can sign up as an affiliate on a different company and simply add your okay. On Instagram it's not possible to add links. So what you can do, you can simply say, for this and this, click the link in the bio. For this and this, contact this one. For this and this, do this. So in the description, this is where now you tell people what to do after reading the meme. So as for me, after watching any Instagram post, what I do is I go in the description, see what they have written there, see some of the tags they are using. Okay, and from there in the description, that is where you're going to learn about what others are promoting. So from there, this is where now you make money. Okay, simply find something you can promote and talk about it in the description, direct people where they should go, and you're going to make money. So the way I have used, as for me, I've actually directed people. For example, in my post I say click the link in the bio, and when they click the link in the bio, which is renz.me, okay, when they click the link in the bio, they're actually going to be presented with a screen like this. So I don't know if you can see this screen here just shows my name, what I do, and some of the links I would like people to click on. So some of these links are the shop, so people can visit my online shop, my blog, people can visit my blog, my email list, people can join my email list, forex broker, they can join my forex broker I use. Okay, the tools, contact me if they'd like to contact me, support me on Patreon, they can actually do that. So this is where I direct people as for me. Okay, I direct them to where I want people to click. Okay, so that's what I do. So give it a try. You're seriously going to make a lot of money compared to sharing memes on that app. So remember to subscribe on both channels. This is Keith Renz. Bye for now.